Hi friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a wife and a mother to a 6-month-old daughter. Her name is Luna, and I will be posting weekly videos including lifestyle, travel, grocery hauls, decorating hauls, and of course all things mommy. In today's video, I'm putting a fall twist on a popular cocktail called the Moscow Mule. A Moscow Mule is typically made with vodka as well as ginger beer, mint, and lime. I'm going to be adding whiskey instead of vodka and blackberry, so it's actually going to be a blackberry whiskey mule. I served this cocktail at Thanksgiving this year and it turned out to be a really big hit. So let's get started. Moscow Mules are typically made in these copper mugs. However, you can make them in any type of mug. I bought mine off Amazon and they were maybe $7.99 each or so. So I take my copper mug and the first thing that I'm going to do is add a few sprigs of mint to it, as well as 2 lime slices and 2 blackberries. Then I'm going to take my muddler. This I purchased at Marshall's. And I'm just going to muddle them all together to release all the aromas of the ingredients and get all the oils out. If you don't have a muddler, you can use the back of a spoon or like the blunt edge of a knife. I actually have all of these tools because bartending is my passion and I've done it for years. I went to bartending school. I bartended in a few places before and I've just always loved doing this. When you're finished muddling, it'll look something like this. Now it's time to add the ice. So 1 good scoop of ice, maybe 2. And next we're gonna put in some vodka or whiskey. I'm gonna use whiskey for this one. I feel like whiskey is more of like a fall type drink. So you'll pour about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces. I'm gonna eyeball it. And then fill the rest of the mug with ginger beer. Then give it a quick stir. Garnish it with a fresh sprig of mint, and there you have a blackberry whiskey mule. Cheers. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 800 subscribers and I appreciate every single one of you. I'd really love it if you joined my YouTube family and followed me on my journey through motherhood. Luna just woke up from her nap. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to like it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you'd like any other types of videos, if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. And follow me on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh and on Pinterest, Mrs. Shelly Shoosh. And we will see you again next time. Bye.